Today our next topic is type of projects. There are different types of projects which are being classified on the basis of different categories. There are 5 categories on the basis of which different types of projects are being classified. The first category is quantifiable and non-quantifiable project. Quantifiable project means those projects whose benefit could be measured. That is, for example, the project which are based on profit. The return can be measured. And the other type is non-quantifiable project. Non-quantifiable projects are those projects whose benefit cannot be measured, and generally those projects are for service oriented purpose, that is to provide service to the society. The second type of category is sectorial projects. Those projects which are based on different types of categories, different type of sectors. For example, agriculture based project, industry based project, electricity based project, power and mining based project, and social service sector. The third type of category is techno-economic project. In techno-economic project, there are 3 types of techno-economic project. The first type of project is factor-oriented project. Factor-oriented project means those projects which are of 2 types, which are based on 2 types. The project which is based on capital intensive technique, that is to start the project capital is required, and the other type of project is labor intensive technique. Those type of project to start labor resources are required. Second type in techno-economic project is caution-oriented project. Caution-oriented project means those projects whose raw material is in short. In other words, caution-oriented projects are also called demand-based project, because those projects, for those to start those projects, the raw material is in scarcity. So they are also called as demand-based project. The third category is magno-oriented project. Magno-oriented project means those projects which are based on their size. Small scale project, medium scale project, or large scale project. Generally, small scale, medium scale and large scale is dependent on the amount of investment we are putting into the project. The fourth type of category is profit-oriented project. In profit-oriented project, there are 5 types of things. One is new project. Those projects which are being completely started for the very first time, those are called as new project, and those are based on profit earning purpose. The second is expansion project. Expansion project means the one who wanted to expand his work, to expand his industry work. For example, one producer who is producing one commodity, he wanted to expand his business and he is thinking to start with the second type of commodity. The third is modernization project. Modernization project means when we are trying to modernize a project, when we are trying to introduce latest type of technology into our project. The fourth is replacement project. Replacement project means in those projects where we are trying to replace old machinery with a new machinery. And the fifth type of project is diversification project. Diversification project means when we want to expand our work, when we want to introduce more type of commodity into our business. The last type of category is service oriented project. In service oriented project, there are 3 things. The first is research and development projects. In order to provide new types of goods and services, there is separate type of department that is called as research and development department, in which research is done to see what new type of commodity or service can be provided to the society. Next is welfare project. Welfare project means when the government starts things to start hospital, school, education, defense department to provide welfare service to the society. The third is educational project. Educational project again is same type, where we are trying to provide service to the society in the form of education and thinking to start new schools and colleges, universities. So these were different types of project. Again, in a gist, I would like to tell you types of projects are based on different types of category, and these different types of category are of 5 types. First is quantifiable and non-quantifiable. Quantifiable, whose return can be measured. Non-quantifiable, whose return cannot be measured. Second type is the project which is based on different type of sectors. Sectors means agriculture sector, industrial sector, service sector, tertiary sector, and so on. The third is techno-economic project, which is based on technology. It is factor intensive, magnitude oriented, or caution oriented project. The fourth category is profit oriented. In profit oriented, again there are 5 things. The one which has been started for the very first time, new project, expansion project, modernization project, diversification project, or replacement project. The last type of category is service oriented project. In service oriented, there are research and development projects, welfare projects, or educational projects. Thank you.